What do you do when one of the biggest attractions in Banff is completely packed? You pivot, embrace slow travel, and uncover the real heartbeat of the town. Welcome to day 9 of our 15-day road trip from Toronto to Alberta and back. Today, we are showing you why skipping the tourist traps might just be the best decision you make in Banff National Park. We started our morning here at the incredibly peaceful Vermillion Lakes. That majestic peak you are looking at is Mount Rundle. It's one of the most recognizable mountains in the Canadian Rockies, famous for its distinct wedge shape carved by the ancient glaciers. Standing here, taking in the crisp air, you can't help but feel a deep sense of awe and mindful appreciation for the natural resources and raw beauty that Canada has been blessed with. Our original plan was to head up the Banff Gondola first thing, but as any true explorer knows, you have to go with the flow. The parking lot was completely full by the time we arrived. Instead of letting it ruin our day, we leaned into the slow travel trend. We decided to head back down into Banff town to experience the local charm at our own pace, without the stress of crowds. We made our way down to the Bow River Trail. If you want a leisure, peaceful walk where you can just enjoy the river bank and soak in the natural blessings of this region, this trail is a must. If you are enjoying this authentic look at Banff, please take a second to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. And if you love our adventures here, make sure to check out our other videos on our second channel, Gingeromas. The link is in the description below. Now, almost everyone who comes to Banff wants a photo at this famous welcome sign. We drove past it, and the traffic and lines were heavy. As explorers, our time is precious, and we'd rather spend it genuinely experience the town rather than waiting in line for a photo. We parked near the railway station, a great little hidden gem of a spot, and walked into town. Banff is a small but absolutely stunning city. Everywhere you look, you are completely surrounded by mountains. It literally feels like you are walking inside a beautiful painting. We spent hours wandering the streets, passing beautiful historic churches, the town hall, and the local museum. It's in these quiet moments that you really build a broader understanding of the community here. Today was a masterclass in why you shouldn't stress when travel plans change. By keeping an explorer's mindset, we had one of the best days of our trip. After all that walking, we worked up quite an appetite and found an amazing Vietnamese restaurant right in the town. The food was absolutely delicious and the perfect fuel for the next leg of our journey. As the sun started to lower, we hopped back in the car to head to Calgary for the night. Leaving the lowering peaks behind and driving toward the vast agricultural lands of Alberta always fills us with deep Canadian pride. It's a beautiful reminder of the diverse landscapes that feed and support our nation. If you love Canadian road trips and finding unique travel experiences like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your fellow travelers. We want to hear from you. What is your favorite road trip of all time? Let us know in the comments below. For even more adventures, visit our second channel, Gingeromas. The link is right there in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.